सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 10 वर्कबुक पार्ट 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट। नंबर 1, we cannot measure the length of an object accurately by using handspan, hand and foot span. Explain. The length of handspan or foot step were from person to person. Some people have longer hands and feet than others. Hence, the measurement of some object when taken by different people will be different. People will be different hands. We cannot measure the length of an object accurately. Second number, why is standard universal unit of length needed? In ancient time, people were using fingers, handspan, hand and foot step to measure length. The result to measure the length could be different as the length of your handspan and that of your friends may not be the same. The standard measurement to be the same. The standard measurement do not change from person to person. Hence, standard unit of length is needed. Third number, how will you measure the length of a pencil using a scale whose zero end is broken? To measure the length of a pencil by the help of a scale whose zero end is broken, we will place one end of the pencil at the mark of 1 on the scale. Second number, we will note the mark on the scale on which the other end of the pencils falls. Third, finally, we will subtract 1 from the reading and get the real length of the pencil. Fourth number, which unit of length do we use in our daily life? Give relation between them. Meter is the standard unit of length. Unit of length that are smaller than meter are centimeter, cm, and millimeter, mm, kilometer, km, each bigger than the meter. The relation between different units of length are 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 1000 millimeter is equal 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or 1 lakh centimeter. Number 5. Give 2 examples each of modes of transport used on land, water and air. Modes of transport used on land: bus, scooter, train. Modes of transport used on water: boat, ship. Modes of transport used in air: aeroplane, helicopter. 6 number, the distance between Radha home and her school is 3250 meter. Express the distance in 2 kilometer. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 3250 meter is equal to 3250 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 3.25 kilometer. Question number 7. Write the similarities and differences between the motion of his bicycle and the ceiling fan that has been switched on. Similarity: both the wheel of the cycle and the blades of the ceiling fan are in circular motion and rotate about a fixed axis. Difference: bicycle shows rectilinear motion, whereas a ceiling fan does not. 8th number, give 2 examples each of the periodic motion and circular motion. 2 examples of periodic motion are as follows. Number 1, motion of the pendulum of clock, motion of a swing. Question number 7, classify the following cases into rectilinear motion, circular motion and periodic motion. Rectilinear motion, motion of an arrow released from bow, motion of water drop falling from the tap. Circular motion, motion of a child sitting a merry-go-round, motion of a hand of a clock, motion of bicycle wheel. Periodic motion, motion of a pendulum, motion of bell ringing by wind, motion of children sitting in a seesaw. यहाँ पे ये जो है वो आपका है OF ऑफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, मैचिंग का नंबर 1, स्टीम इंजन का जाएगा सी, ट्रेन, ऑटोमोबाइल का आपका जाएगा ए, बस, वाटरवे का आपका जाएगा डी, बोट, रोप वॉकर वॉकिंग ऑन दी रोप का आपका जाएगा बी, रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. Question number 9, answer the following question in detail. Number 1, what care will you take in measuring the length of an object? In measuring the length of an object, we need to take the following care. Number 1, place the scale parallel in contact with object carefully at 0 mark of the scale. Second number, observe the other end of object and the mark on the scale were ends correct position of the eye. It's also important for taking measurement. Your eye must be exactly in front of the point where the measurement is to be taken. Third, in some scales, the end may be broken. You may not be able to see 0 mark clearly, so you must subtract the reading of the mark from the reading at the other end. Second, explain different type of motion with example. Different type of motion are as follows. Number 1, rectilinear motion, the motion in which an object moves along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Example, a bullet fired from a gun. Second, a curved motion, the motion which an object moves along a curved motion, is called curved motion. Example, the motion of a ant. Third, circular motion, the motion in which the object moves on a circular track is known circular motion. Example, the blades of a moving fan. 4, periodic motion, if an object repeats its motion after a definite interval of time, the motion is known as periodic motion, motion of pendulum. Third, how will you measure the length of a bent iron rod? A meter scale cannot be used to measure by the help of a bent rod. It is measured by the help of a thread. Hold one end of the thread at one end of the rod and then keep moving the thread along the length of the rod. Make a mark on the portion of thread which comes near the other end of the rod. Now measure the length of the thread from the end to the mark. The reading that you get is the length of the rod. सो फ्रेंड्स, इसी के साथ आपका ये चैप्टर फिनिश होता है. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.